How to create product promo animation using Canva. First, click on Video, search Ad. Select Portrait Video Ad. First, add your product image. Change its background color to match with the product. We need to remove its background. Go to Text. Add a heading. Type your text. Change its color to white. Here, we will choose Anton font. Make it uppercase. Rotate it 90 degrees. Increase its letter spacing. We will place this text on the left side of the canvas. Reduce its transparency to 40%. Duplicate this text. Now, we will add number 50 for our 50 series watches. Set letter spacing to 0. Adjust its size and position. After this, go to Elements. Search White Curtain. Go to the Photo section. Add a curtain. Adjust its size and position. Reduce its transparency to 25. Now, bring your product to the front. Adjust its size and position. Now, add a heading. We will add 50 series text. Choose the Seasons bold font. Set font size to 60 pixels. Make it uppercase. Duplicate this text. Change font to light and size to 30 pixels. Add product name. Adjust its position. Next, add product price. Go to Elements. Search Buy Now. Add an element. Change its color to white. Duplicate the page. Add your next product image. Again, remove its background. Adjust its size and position. Go to Position and Layer. Delete the first product image. Now, select the background in Layer. Change its color to match the product image. Change the product name and product price. Now, duplicate this page and do the same for all your products. After this, select the price. Apply a Send animation effect. Next, select the product name. Apply a Send animation effect. Change its direction to downward. Now, select the Shop Now button. Apply Pulse Motion effect. Next, add a blank page. Copy and paste all your product images on this page. Adjust all images' sizes. Next, go to Elements. Search Circle Diameter. Add an element. We will place our image on the extremes of the diameter. Rotate the next image to 90 degrees and adjust its position. Similarly, adjust the next images also. Select all the images and group them. Reduce their size. Ungroup them. Adjust their position again. Again, select all images and group them. Now, copy this and paste it on the first page. Scale its size and overlap it on the product image. delete the product image. Delete all the product images from all pages. Now, copy the group and paste it on the second page. Now, rotate it to 90 degrees to get our second product image. Adjust its position. Do the same for all images. After this, delete the last page. Next, click on Transitions. Add Match and Move Transition. Set duration to 1 second. Click on Apply between all pages. Reduce the page timing to 2 seconds. Apply it to all pages. Our product promo ad is ready. Let's check it out. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.